Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Kirtish. This is lesson 5 of our Spoken English Complete course. If you haven't watched lessons 1 to 4, I highly recommend watching them first because every lesson builds upon the previous one. Today, we are going to learn one of the most useful words in English, should. Native speakers use should every day to give advice, make recommendations, express expectations, and talk about responsibilities. After this lesson, you will be able to use should naturally and confidently in your daily conversations. So let's get started. First of all, what does should mean? Should is a modal verb. We use it when we want to give advice, suggest something, express expectations, or talk about what is right or appropriate. Let's understand its different uses one by one. Use 1. Giving advice. This is the most common use of should. Examples: you should practice English every day. You should drink more water. You should sleep at least 7 hours every night. You should read books regularly. Students should complete their homework on time. When you want to advise someone, should is the perfect word. Use 2. Making suggestions. Examples: we should watch this movie. You should try this restaurant. We should leave early to avoid traffic. You should visit your grandparents this weekend. We should start the meeting now. Here, you are not giving an order, you are simply making a suggestion. Use 3. Expressing expectations. Sometimes we use should when we expect something to happen. Examples: the train should arrive in 10 minutes. The results should be announced tomorrow. Your parcel should reach you by Monday. He should be here soon. The weather should improve by evening. These are expectations, not guarantees. Use 4. Talking about responsibility. Should is also used to talk about what is morally or socially right. Examples: we should respect our parents. People should follow traffic rules. Everyone should be honest. Children should be kind to others. We should help people in need. These sentences express responsibility and good behavior. Use 5. Asking for advice. You can also use should when asking someone for guidance. Examples: what should I do? Where should I apply? Which course should I choose? Should I call him now? Should we wait a little longer? These are very common questions in everyday English. Now let's compare must and should. Should gives advice. For example, you should exercise regularly. Must expresses strong necessity. You must wear a helmet while riding a bike. So remember, should is equal to good idea or advice. Must is equal to necessary or compulsory. Let's quickly revise today's lesson. We use should for giving advice, making suggestions, expressing expectations, talking about responsibility, asking for advice. If you start using should in your daily conversations, your English will sound much more natural and confident. Homework: write 5 sentences using should. Try to use 5 different situations from today's lesson. Post your answers in the comments. I would love to read them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. I'll see you in lesson 6 where we will learn how to use must in English. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep speaking English.